Hello and welcome to my YouTube tutorial on basic lighting for Highrise Studio. So in this scene I've started off with a trophy object. We need to set up our item first. So to start off we want to make sure that our item can take lighting. So to do this we need to make sure that it is set to static. This means that the item isn't going to move. And we need to change the children on that as well. Secondly, we need to go to the object. We need to open that up and we need to scroll down to where it says Generate Light Map UVs, and then we want to hit apply. So while that is applying, could take just a moment. Now that we have our items set up, we want to introduce a light. So for this tutorial, I'm going to introduce a spotlight above my object. And I will place that just above the object, hopefully in the correct position. Let's just go, whee, that's a bit far away, isn't it? And my mouse is being a bit temperamental today, so hopefully, oh, how frustrating. Click and drag just does not want to work. Let's bring that across. And let's bring that up. Make sure that's above our object. I think that's pretty good. So we want to make sure that the mode for the light is set to baked lighting. Highrise Studio only accepts baked lighting in the game. We also want to set our color. So to make this really obvious just for this tutorial, I'm going to make this red. Ooh. I do want it to make it red, there we go. And I'm going to set the intensity to 10. Once I have all the lighting set up and the object set up, I can open the lighting tab and then I can click generate lighting and it'll generate the lights for us. And as you can see already, as it bakes, it has got a really bright red hue. And there we go. Because I've got it a little bit offset off my object, you can't really see it on the entire object. It's also going to throw some shadows as well, depending on where the light hits. If you're not happy with the lighting in the scene, you just go back to the lighting panel where it says generate lighting. There's a little drop down arrow and you click clear bake starter and it'll revert to its original form. And you can change the lights again and rebake them as many times as you like. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.